there are three things that really drive demand and prices and that sort of stuff. And it's the economy, interest rates, and the level of competition. Those three, like supply and demand, basically, right? So those three things don't all line up, really ever. They're all of them in some sort of transition, either up or down, but you never have a really good economy with low interest rates and low competition.
Yeah.
But this is what people are waiting for, right? This is like when you talk to people a year and a half ago, or a year ago, more specifically, they're like, prices are crazy, competition's too high, I just can't see myself buying right now. This is crazy, okay? And so the question needs to be from our perspective. So when we talk to these people, these are going to be people that had put off buying because
prices were too high, and now prices are low, but interest rates are high. But there's no competition. Right?
So these are the same people that have rejected buying a year and a half, 2 years ago because of the situation that was in place. And so now we've transitioned to this other side of things, and now they're using the interest rates as their deflector.
Excuse, yeah.
Information-based reaction. And even if it was perfect, I don't think that a lot of people would just intrinsically recognize that. If we got all three of these things to happen at the same time, those same people who are qualified to buy, mind you, I will say they are qualified, a lot of these people are qualified to buy, but human nature is to reject change. Although it's what so many politicians sell is change, and everybody thinks that they want change, and at the end of the day, they do not. Change is painful. Change requires something, I
think discomfort.
That's the perfect word. A moment of discomfort for a better
long-term benefit, yeah.
And it's that discomfort that people want to avoid. And our job is to really ask these questions, to find the way to connect with these people on a better level, on a deeper level, for why is it that you're putting this off? You put it off a year ago, and you weren't wrong, okay? Let's be clear, you weren't wrong. The market has changed, but the question is your situation any better? I mean, forget about the finances or whatever. Your living situation right now, is it any better? And if the answer is no, then let's have a discussion about what this needs to look like for you to resolve this particular problem in your life, whatever that is. What is it that people are fearful of, really? Is it the mortgage? I don't think it is. What people are fearful of and why people are pausing is because of the uncertainty of what their mortgage is going to be next year or the year after.
Yeah.
It's that uncertainty. And so right now we're in a position where interest rates have been going up, prices have been going down-ish, in some places more than others. And we're in this position where interest rates, as far as the Bank of Canada is what they're putting out publicly, is that they are going to slow interest rate hikes.
Yeah.
At the end of this month, they're talking about 0.25.
Or zero?
Or zero.
That's what I've been hearing. I was curious.
And I think that they're broadcasting 0.25.
And then they're going to do zero, and then everyone's going to go, let's buy.
And so this is what a lot of people right now are in this wait and see.
Yeah.
And what's going to happen is when what you're waiting for.
Everyone's waiting for it.
Everybody's
and then you
waiting
lose out on the one of the three benefits,
the
right?
competition.
The competition,
That's right.
supply and demand.
That's right. And I think it's important to also take a look and understand, while interest rates are high compared to where they were a year ago, historically, they are not that high. And we probably won't see them go below 4% again in our lifetime.